happened?
What's it called?
We're doing a downpipe and front pipe. I've already taken off the heat shield right here, which is just 3 bolts. And then I've sprayed everything last night with PV.
Alright. It's got us out here in the goddamn cold. Even the ducks laughing at us right now.
And they just let them out.
I still can't believe y'all got this Mustang though, out of wholesale.
Bruh.
It's
Me
nice.
and my mom got my dad a good Christmas gift.
Oh my god. Get out of here.
I'm telling you, man, he's like obsessed with this bitch. He fucking he spent like 5 hours one day whack.
What's it say? How cold it is outside? On your phone. What does it say? Cause I want to know. So everybody can know what degree you have us working in, what type of conditions you have us working in outside.
33.
Chilly, it's 33 degrees outside. 33 degrees outside, and you out here having to break bolts on exhaust.
Hey, imagine that cold stuff.
Yeah.
Imagine that cold stuff.
Yeah, the cold start's gonna be nice, but it's fucking brick outside. Alright, come on. Let's get this shit over with.
You don't worry, after I buy you breakfast.
I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
Hey, now you're speaking my language. 3 chili? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Got those 3 off. And how many was at the top? Was like 5? Was like 4 or 5 bolts at the top?
4.
For the people that are trying to do this at home.
Yeah, I hope.
It's
I want it to sound good.
It's gonna be loud.
I just don't want it to be obnoxious. Like
The face of determination.
you know what?
Your face over there, man. I'm dying.
At least I'm doing this, huh? Because last time, my buddy came over to help me do the HKS exhaust, right? He pretty much did the whole fucking thing. Not gonna lie. I didn't do shit.
What? Oh, hell no. You go work today. You got me out here in this goddamn cold. You go work today.
But that video would have been on YouTube, but it got deleted on accident. He was trying to edit the footage. Got deleted.
Golly, man.
My eyes are actually tearing up from how cold it is. Like a tear's about to fall. I have a dog.
You are a whore.
Excuse me.
So, who's this new girl you got?
Nobody.
So let me just tell you about Chili. So he will literally have 2-3 dates lined up and will cancel all 3 of them at a whim, just cause. Yeah, I don't feel like going. I'm just gonna cancel all 3.
Do they deserve my time and money sometimes? No. Some of them, yes.
Meanwhile, I'm over here on the campfire.
On the campfire.
On the campfire, getting warmed up. You better be glad that those bolts didn't break on the turbo though. Like that is, yeah.
I'm telling you, PB blast, PB blast, PB blast.
Jesus Christ. That would have been bad. Had one of those bolts broke,
We would have
that
sat
would
here
have
all
been bad.
day drilling it out.
Yeah, that would have been, and I would have been mad. I would have been mad. In the cold, having to drill out a bolt out of the turbo and tap it for some new threads. Yeah, I would have been mad.
Can't be sitting here for 2 weeks.
All right, so now we just got to take out the 2 bolts for the
Now we're
at the very back, right?
Disconnected from the mid pipe.
Okay.
So the start of my HKS exhaust, we're taking off the front pipe.
Okay. Did they get new gaskets and everything?
New gaskets, yes. The only new gaskets we don't have are for the turbo because we're supposed to reuse those.
Old cat out. Bullshit. Good shit. Bullshit. Good shit. baby turbo down there. So what you think it's gonna sound like?
I hope it sounds good. Shit. I just want some pops. More pops than what I got.
I mean, it already kind of pops though.
Yeah, it already pops. I want pop 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 pop.
You said what now? Oh shit! I swear he can't do nothing by He can't do nothing by himself. I promise you. It's fucking cold as shit, man. You broke the nuts. I had to come in and finish the job. It's just some good humor, man. Look at him. Look at Chili. Get to the chopper. Having a little trouble there, sir? Bro, like seriously, this thing is immaculate. I don't know if y'all can really see. It's like kind of dark.
We put a new carb on it.
Look at this. It is immaculate. Nice. Even that headliner. This thing's nice, man. Alright, so you probably can't see it, but we got both those 3 bolts up there. Right here. Got those 3 bolts right here. Gaskets on. Chili's up there working on the other 2 bolts, and then we'll be ready to start this bitch up and check for exhaust leaks. Did you put that gasket on? Yeah. Okay. You need help, don't you? Oh, fuck.
But like hurting before your ass fucking. I dropped this shit. Come on.
Finally done.
Can you take that jack? Stand up.
Yeah. Come on, Chili.
Nice sounds. Sounds better now that the car's kind of got warmer.
Chili.
Holy cow, it's cold. Oh, it's dirty.
Chili.
It's cold.
Man, it's cold, man. Golly. It is cold,
It's
bro.
already a whole lot louder.
Yeah, it is definitely louder. Definitely louder. Yeah, sounds nice.
Sounds good, right?
Yeah, sounds good.
Here we go.
Oh shit. Here we go. Oh. Hey, sounds good right there. The blow off sound is much louder now.
Wait till I put an intake on
Yeah, but that blow off sound is much louder now. Now that you have pretty much, is it 3 inch all the way back?
it. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Well, I'm not sure. I think the HKS is a 2.5.
Okay, so you got
3 and then 2.
So for everybody that don't know your exhaust setup right now, what is it?
We got the Skunk 2 Racing downpipe and front pipe with a full catback HKS high power muffler and exhaust. And then a Boomba blow off valve.
A Boomba?
Boomba.
Like Timon and Pumbaa?
Sure. Sure. If you want to say it.
Hey man, what you granny shifting for? What are you granny shifting for? What is this? What is this shit? You gotta let her go, man. You just gotta let her go. What is that? What is this? Huh? There, You got it. Reach in here for some damn tissue you got coming. You just trying to be prepared?
Yeah.
Trying to be prepared?
I didn't want a kid.
I told you you're a whore.
I ain't no whore.
You're a whore. You're a whore.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
You are a whore.
You heard that?
Don't try to change the subject,
Shut
whore.
the fuck up. Ain't no whore.